Ever done brakes on an e-bike? If not, join us. Let me show you how to do them.
First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna verify that we don't have brakes. And with it all the way squeezed, we definitely don't. In this case, sometimes these e-bikes, you can adjust the cable for a little more pull if there's any brake pad left. There's also an adjuster on the back side. You can adjust that in and also get a little bit more out of it. We're gonna pull it apart, see how much brake pad is left on these. Get these calipers off, and take these 2 Allen bolts out. Every bike's brakes are a little bit different. On this particular model, I have found that to get these ones out, it's easiest to remove these 2 bolts and then pull this off, and I'll show you why here when we get it off. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this off. I'll show you guys the way these guys work. They have these 2 tabs that stick out, and that fits into those 2 grooves here. Just like that. And then this spring keeps those pads in those grooves at all times. So we're gonna pull apart, we're gonna check these pads out. And honestly, looking at these pads, they don't look to be too bad. So just for reference, here is new pads and they actually look great. So we're gonna go ahead and reinstall this and we're just gonna adjust these out. I figured we'd go ahead and pull it apart just to show you guys what this stuff looks like and how you would replace them if you're ever in that situation. All right, put these back together. Install the first pad. And go ahead and install the spring. Fits in there just like that. I'm gonna install the top pad. Get that spring in the slot. Spring in the slot, we're gonna compress it and attempt to hold it down without launching anywhere. Okay, then we're gonna go ahead and get that top one on, get that top plate on, screw it back together while holding pressure on it. Just make sure everything's sitting where it needs to. Everything appears to be good. Both pads are back in how they should be. We'll get that reinstalled, check the back ones, and then we'll show you how to get these things adjusted. Back brake removal is gonna be the same as the front. We're gonna remove these 2 Allen bolts, pull this caliper off, and we'll just visually inspect these pads. If they're good, we'll get it all back together, start adjusting. So I loosely have this caliper put back on here on the rear wheel. And if you guys look right now, let's squeeze that brake. That rotor is being moved awfully far when I squeeze the brake, which means that we need to adjust the back pad in a little bit to compensate for that. So we're gonna adjust that back pad. We're gonna tighten this screw, which is gonna push in that stopper. You don't have to go real far with this. But usually, we'll do a half a turn, see where that kind of gets us. Immediately, that is looking better. Now I need to check and make sure the wheel still spins. I have that back piston adjusted a little bit. I think it's close to where I want it. We're gonna go ahead and bolt the caliper down. With the caliper bolted, we'll loosen up that bolt and that bolt top and bottom. We'll adjust the center of this and then we should be all set. All right, with these bolts loose, you can see that we can actually move the caliper left and right. And what I like to do is lift it up and spin it. Make sure we're not dragging real bad. Looks like we're doing a lot better. I'll go ahead and squeeze that brake. That'll get this thing kind of centered up. And we'll tighten it with the brake on, keep it centered. Okay, that's how we're gonna get these things adjusted. Brake is working great. We have plenty of adjustment left on this adjuster, so As we ride, these brake pads do wear out. We can actually make some more adjustments here since we've counteracted with the plunger on the back. Let's go and get that front brake adjusted. We can get this thing back to its owner. You guys can tell that we got full brakes now, full stopping power. And the way we've got these adjusted is we've got extra adjustment here, extra adjustment here. You also have a little more adjustment at the top. All those adjustments will allow you to do quick adjustments as these brake pads wear in the future. See ya.